We're rolling. Yeah, we're down in Barmouth, Dad. Grant, Lee, other lads, Mike, Jason. There's fucking bikes everywhere. It's going to be crazy. So we're just going to take it easy today. No hero points. And see how we get on. But these guys look like they're pretty serious enduro riders. We might have bit off a little bit more. So excited, Dad! Always a little bit apprehensive in Barmouth. There's some tough stuff. He's a big lad, isn't he? Yeah, Honda power, Japanese, bulletproof, the red rocket. I've had a Honda for a long time. I think it's a 450 RX. It'll rip your arms off, that will. Not for vegans. Well, mate, Ken. All the lads out. Straight into it. Let's see how we get on then. Let's just have a nice time. No hero points. No showing off. Can't help that though. Cannot promise that. Big Jay. Hey mate. Just back off his holidays, all nice and tanned up. Oh, this is a bit like Erzberg. Straight into it, Barmouth special. Enduro's up front, he's got a new whip. He's come out on a, I think it's the same as mine, a 350. It's a bit of a swerve, a lot of the boys are having a change. 2-stroke, 4-stroke. Ride it like you stole it. So, me and Kenny are riding the new Plu slick tyres. We don't know whether we've made the right choice for these today. Very nice, Dad, very nice. So our first hard enduro section. Me and Kenny are going to go straight over that log, no fucking. We're going to send it, Ken, aren't we? Straight over that log. Not the pussy route. I'm going to take it up on the inside. Just a big send. Me and Mike are going over the log. It's quite high, isn't it? Enduro section of the day. Yeah, got a sweat on already. He's gone over the log. Yeah, his bike didn't make it, but he did. He's fucking Superman, that guy. Let's go. I don't know who it is, mate, but he's got the hero points off of the back. We're not even out of the car park yet, and heroes are established. See you in a bit.